No, certainly not. This is going to be a cleanup day for today and tomorrow, because then we're going to be watching for another chance of seeing some shower and thunderstorm activity. And some of those storms could also be on the strong side. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at some of the storm reports that we have seen. And you can see there are a number of them. When we were tracking these storms for you last night, lots of wind damage reported across areas, the southern part of Jefferson County, back across portions of Meade County, down into southern Bullitt County, also up into the Prospect area, as well as a few scattered storm reports coming out of southern Indiana as well. We saw some very strong winds from those storms. In fact, you can see at the International Airport, we had a reported 64-mile-per-hour wind gust. A wind gust in Garrett, Kentucky of 60 miles per hour. In Bardstown and Nelson County, 59 miles per hour. In Eminence, right around 56, and you can see in Finchville about 52 miles per hour. And in Cecilia, we had a 51-mile-per-hour wind gust. Obviously,